Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin hasn't really changed since my last video, but there's another option I want to suggest to you, another option we can talk about here. The main view or my primary scenario is still that we are in this green wave 3. That we are within the green wave 3 here in a 5-wave move up, 1 and 2 done. We are in this blue wave 3, there will be a 4 and a 5. So basically the next leg up should be a blue wave 3. If we zoom in, as per this wave count, you can see that in this blue wave 3, well, we are actually in this wave count. And within the blue wave 3, we are already in the white wave 5. This is a 5-wave move. We can say this was a 5-wave structure to the upside. We're now coming down here in wave 2. It doesn't look like that this wave 2 is over. And the reason is that the next leg up should be this yellow wave 3. Then there should be a 4 and a 5. But if we are already in the yellow wave 3, then this thing should start to move. Yeah, it should be a monster. It's not. So therefore, I can only come to the conclusion that either we are in a bearish pattern, or we haven't started wave 3 yet. Yeah. So I am currently going with the second one, that we haven't started wave 3 yet, because as long as we're holding these support levels, we can focus on this wave count. But the idea would be that we've possibly, let me see, that yeah, we came, let me see, we are wave 1 up, okay, wave 1 up, wave 2, that we are in this wave 2 still. But this is actually not a WXY as I initially thought. I would rather see this as an ABC, and the B wave is a triangle. So that we came down in a wave A. This is currently a B wave triangle, and we would come down once more in a C wave. Well, you can even see this as actually, oh no, I think WXY was absolutely correct. I need to obviously account for all of this mess. So if I zoom in a bit, so if we say from the high, I think the W wave I had here, I think that's correct. Then the wave X would be here, and the Y wave would make one more lower low. That would be ideal, because I don't think we've started the third wave. But then we've got this ABC, so wave A, wave Y is basically a 3-wave move. Wave A done. This might be a wave B triangle, and then we come down in a C wave. And I can look at it in terms of triangle here. I mean, yeah, you could say we've now broken here to the upside, but that's not necessarily the case for an Elliott Wave triangle. Elliott Wave triangle would be wave A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, so as long as we stay below $77.21, this is valid, and we would expect another move down in a C wave. If we break now above that 77.21 level, then of course, you know, you could have a larger triangle unfold, or we are already here done with ABC, yeah, and we've got a truncated wave C, and we're already moving up. The thing is, I think as soon as we get above this wave B high, above this high, $78.10, that would be a good signal that things are starting to move to the upside. Yeah, until then, I'm now going to go with this triangle count and then another C wave down, and it could go down as low as the support area allows, basically to $74.40. Below that level, we've got a bit of a problem, and most likely this count is not going to work out. Or let me double check that actually. No, this could still go down though. This could still go down all the way to 72.69. Not my primary expectation, but it could do. And only below 72.69 I will lose trust in this count. So yeah, no, that's actually my expectation. I think I said in the beginning I've got 2 counts, but I think this is fine. I'm gonna go with this, and of course, you know, this could all just be a corrective mess and will come down again impulsively. But if it does, then we will get a signal if we drop below that $72 level that I just mentioned, and then we can probably, or then we will either look at something different or something, much more bearish. Because, the overall chart context isn't great. I mentioned that before. Litecoin BTC chart doesn't look good for Litecoin. So this can be used obviously for swing trading. It's a very long sideways movement here that started actually on the 23rd of November. So it's time to get something done. But for swing trading, okay. For long-term investment, I personally, not for me, just because the Litecoin BTC chart. But overall, next target for the upside, maybe we talk about that as well before we close here. Next target for the upside, the yellow wave 3, that would be. So target would be around the $90 level. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.